Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin Ashrafil Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. So we are continuing with our Iraab of Surah Al-Layl, and I'd like to take you back to where we were last week. Yes, we did these ayah. فَأَمَّا مَنْ أَعْطَى وَصَدَّقَ بِالْحُسْنَى, and then we went on to فَسَنُيَسِّرُهُ لِلْيُسْرَى. So we're going to continue with the next three ayah, and as you can see, the form is identical. Grammatically, the structure is the same, yes? Only that the difference is this is wa and this is fa. That's the only difference. And this was istiqnafiyah, and this is atifa. Yeah, it's atifa. Here, I just like to explain something about wow. Okay, just want to explain something about wow, and I'm not sure where to put it. I'll put this in a different note. Yeah, but not sure how we're going to share this. Okay, alhamdulillah. This one is this way. Okay, have I got this on the right orientation? Yeah, okay, I can make this big now. Now, when we see wow, yeah, a few things can be happening. Okay, we can look at three circumstances when we use wow. Okay, the first one is when we want to connect between sentences. Yeah, sorry. And we want to connect between sentences. That can be broken down. Okay, it's joined by wow, but it can be broken down, and it will be broken down with different meanings. What do I mean by this? Okay, between the sectors. So let's say we have a sentence like this. I'm going to copy paste this, but I want to write this down. Connection between the sentences, there is a connection. And when it's broken down, yeah, you're looking at sentences with different meanings. Okay, it's connected, but when you break it down, the meaning is like it's different sentences. Okay, so when it is broken down, it has independent meanings. Let's put it as independent meanings. Okay, independent meanings. It can stand by itself. Okay, there is connection. Then the second one is when there is no connection. Okay, I mean, there is a connection in the way that a story is being told. That means there is a story and you're telling it. Yeah, but actually the first sentence and the second sentence, there's a disconnect. Okay, so here I just want to say same story, but disconnected. When disconnected sentences. Yeah, one might be in Balagha, we would say khabariyah, the other one might be insha'ah. Yes, so same story, disconnected sentences. So and then we have the third type of wow, where you have connection between the sentences. And when you break it down, you come to the same meaning. Yeah, when it is broken down, you come to the same meaning. Okay, the best way, of course, to understand this is with examples. Yeah, that's obvious. So let me give you some examples in English. Sorry. I was going to make this black.
Can make it also, oh, never mind.
Smaller? Smaller?
Yes, because
It's
it's too
big. It's so big.
When it's in English, it's 18 is good enough.
Okay, good. Alhamdulillah. Oops. Okay, here we go. All right. So I'm not going to give you the Arabic to this, but I will give you the translation to it. Yeah. So that we just want to understand what's going on. So let's say I have an ayah here that I've taken from Surah An-Naba. Surah An-Naba is 78:68. So I'll just put the Surah reference here if you want to have a look at the Arabic. Yeah. And it's talking about Allah's creations. Okay, 78:628. And the meaning is, all right. It says here, I'm going to copy this across for you. I hope the size doesn't go. Okay. Oh, no, it's too small. So here we see, yes, here we see, okay. Have we not made the earth a resting place? The Arabic version, there's a wow here. And we translate it as and the mountains as stakes, and we created you as pairs. Yes, so there's obviously a story here being told, and there is some element of connection because we're talking about the creation of what Allah has created. Yeah, but if we break it down, it's independent meanings. We're talking about the earth as a resting place, and then we're talking about the mountains as stakes, and then we're talking about we created you in pairs. Yeah, but it's telling the same story of creation. So this is the first instance when you would use wow. Okay. Then you would have this other case here, the third case. I'll go to the third case first for obvious reasons. And this is another ayah that we have. Oh, okay. Have. And this is Abasa. Yeah. And it's 80 from 27 to 29. And when you take the meaning, you will get this. Oops, sorry. Something like this. This is big. Right. So what size was this? Okay. Okay. And cause to grow within it grain and grapes and herbage and olive and palm trees. As you can see, if I break it down, I need to include this one. There's a common denominator here, and cause to grow within. Yeah. So it's like a continuation. So this is the other case that we are looking at. Yeah. One, if we break it down, it can be independent sentences. Two, when we break it down, there's a, you need to go back to something, what we call the ma'tuf alayh. Yeah. So this is all ma'tuf, but it has to go back to a common ma'tuf alayh. In this case, this is what we're looking at as istinafiyah, independent sentences, but it's connected in meaning. Okay. And of course, then we have this one, the second case here, where I don't have a Quranic example that I can share with you. But let's say if somebody asks you, okay, that's something like, do you want the book? He asks you, do you want the book? And then you say, no. No. Yeah. You say la. Wa jazakul khairan. Yeah. You say la, but then you follow with wa jazakul khairan. Yeah. So no is the answer, of course. Yeah, this is what we call insha in Balara, when it's not a sentence where you can see when you can confirm or not confirm. Yes. And then you follow it by something totally different. Sorry, this is habar, yeah. This one followed by it here is may Allah reward you. This is a dua for the person, right? So this is insha'a. Yeah, the dua is insha'a. So let me make that small for you. So this is one of those things, what you might say the wow is for, what's the term, istiradiyah? Did I get that right? Yes. Where it is something, the jazakallah khaira is not connected in any way, but we're still part of the same story. Okay, so these are the 3 instances where we can use wow. All right. I hope that's clear. Yeah. So when we have wa here, as you can see, right? This wa is actually part of this whole story, right? About amma man a'ata wattaqa, about this person. And it continues on with another person of a different characteristic. Okay. He has different sifas to him. Yeah. So, but it is still part of the same story. So this wow is why we call it atifa. When we break it down, it's connected to this first one, the fa'amma man. Yeah. So this one would be connected to this one would be connected to this one would be connected to this. Sorry, this one would be connected to this. So I did that wrongly. So this one to this one to this. Oh, sorry, this one to this, and this one to this. Still the same sentence, isn't it? Okay. Is that all right? Yeah. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Okay, now let's continue with this one. If you can remember, I'm going to, since there's only 2 of you, so I'm going to do a bit of copy pasting here, but we will adjust when we come to it. Yeah, so fa'amma was the wa'amma was going back to the fa'amma. Yeah. So now we have wow, but it's not istignafia, it's
Atifa.
atifa. So let's just copy this. Control C. And we'll miss out the wa because I want to bring that down. And we're going to, let's see whether we can do this. Oops, sorry. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so this is still that. Yes. And we have bakhila. So bakhila is something that we need to do a separate Iraab for it. So, yep. Sister Adila, could you give me the sarf of bakhila?
Bakhalam.
Bakhalam. Sorry. Bakhalam.
Family 1.
Family 1.
Bakhila yabkhalu.
Bakhila yabkhalu. And
Master bakhalan.
bakhalan. Sorry. Bakhalan.
Fahuwa bakhilun.
This is good. Bakhil. Okay. And maf'ul would be
Mabkhul.
maf'ul. Oh, sorry. Maf'ulun. And what's the Irab for this?
فعل ماضي مبني على الفتح.
Okay.
الفاعل ضمير مستتر جوازا تقديره هو.
Okay. Let's make this red. This is too, I hope, black. Fi'il madin. As per what we have up there, right? Let's go.
Up some more. Yeah, but
Oh,
it
yeah.
also can. Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, can.
Yeah, you can. Oh, this is the same. No. This is
Maybe.
Bahila. It's the one without the muqaddara.
Yeah, so this one better.
Right. And the jumlah is the same, right? It is the silatu mawsul, only it's the
Yes.
silatu mawsul or something else. Okay, we change that when we get to that. Control C. Let's adjust.
Actually, we
Kosano.
don't need the silatul mawsul because it's already up
It's
there.
okay. No, I put it in the wrong place. We've covered everything. Yeah. Here's already here, right? Alhamdulillah. All right now. Now wastaghna. Wastaghna. Sister Sultana. Can you do the Sarf for me, please?
Istaghna.
So this
It's
is
family 10.
the root letters there.
Istaghna. Ghain, noon, yeah.
Uh,
Ghain,
yeah, and it's family 10.
10.
Okay. And the first one is istaghna. Yes.
Istaghna. Yastaghni.
Is it talking about the masdar?
No, mudare.
Mudari is not istaghni.
She said
Istaghna.
yes.
Yastaghni.
Oh, yastaghni. Oh, see, I heard
Ji.
differently. Yastaghni and the masdar
Istighna'an.
istighna'an and
Mustaghniyun.
mustaghniyun and
Mustaghna'un.
this is actually nakis at the end. So how would you say that?
Hamza. I think so. Mustaghna'un.
Now for your maf'ul and your fa'il, istighna'an is correct already, but your isim fa'il will be mustagh.
Niyun.
If it is nakis, the ending would be?
It will be Mustaghni.
Just like fi'il madin.
Mustaghnin.
Yes, mustaghnin. Yes, good. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so we have mustaghnin, mustaghnan. Yeah, I know. It's always tricky with nakis. Okay, alhamdulillah. So now the actual Iraab.
So it is Fele Madi.
Yes, it is fi'il madin. What's the fa'il?
Huwa Zamir Mustatir.
Word mustatir. And this is it ma'tuf to anything?
It is matuf to be Bakhila.
Bakhila. Okay. I'm going to do this and add to it. So fi'il madin is normally mabni, right?
Mabni.
Yep. So can you add a bit more to this?
Mabni alal alif.
Mabniun ala alif.
No.
No.
Is it? What more about the alif can you tell me?
Alif Max. What should I say? It is
Hold on.
Mabni alal.
This is a mirror. Wastaghna. I'm going up and down, going up and down. I think we just do this independently. If not, it'll get confusing. So when you can't see the sign, what do we say?
It is Muqaddara.
Okay. Wastaghna.
So it's still alal fat, but it's muqaddara. So mabni alal fat al muqaddara. Or rather
So
al
I shouldn't say alif.
Alif after that.
Once you're describing the muqaddara.
Okay.
Mabni al-fat
Muqaddara.
Yes.
al-muqaddara.
So where you implying the muqaddar, where you implying the fat, this on the alif.
Okay.
Mabni al-muqaddara ala Yes. Al
Al
Alif.
Alif. Okay.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Alhamdulillah.
Lam Fath.
Sometimes I prompt you too long. So now the reason why we cannot see it, that you have to add some more. Do you remember the reason why when it is impossible to see it? What do we say? Lil,
Lil Ja. Is
there are
it because
There are
Jai?
two. Either it's heavy or it's impossible, right? Sikal is heavy. What is impossible? Can you remember? It has the root letters are Ain, Zai, Zal, and Ro.
Okay. I'm sorry. Alal Uzr and
Ta'azzur. Yep, we say it as Ta'az. So,
Bitazur.
Ta'azzur.
Tazur. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is because of the weakness. Uzr is for deformity.
No, no, no. Because it is impossible to see it. Ta'azzur means it's impossible. Yeah.
Acha.
Okay. If it was lil sikal normally in certain cases when it's ya, for example. Oh, sorry, is it ya? What are the root letters?
Yes, if it's ya or wow at the end,
Wow.
the word
Yeah.
Then it will be sikal.
they call.
This one is because it's alif.
Okay.
All right. The fa'il mustatir takdiruhu. A
Oh.
little bit more on this. What type of mustatir are we looking at?
It is mustatir. Huwa zamir. It is marfu, right? Zamir
Give it.
mustatir. Wal fa'il
Fa'il,
mustatir.
damir, mustatir,
Damir mustatir.
damir. Okay. Damir, mustatir. What type of mustatir? Does it allow an outside doer or not?
It allows.
It allows. Okay.
It allows.
Mustatir jawazan. Yeah. Mhm.
Spelling.
Okay.
Ji. Johnson.
Yeah. Wow. Do I have an alif?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mustatir jawazan takdiruhu. Huwa. Okay. Anything else to add to that? The fi mahali rafa part. No, that one. I think it's quite sufficient. Yeah, just put it as that. And the jumlah that is staghna, it is ma'tuf to bakhila, as you say. Yes. And the jumlah man bakhila is ataf to the man aqta. This is the silah combination. Yeah. All right. Okay, now the translation. وَأَمَّا مَنْ بَخِيلَ وَاسْتَغْنَى. Sister Adila.
And
And,
as for
and as for the cause of the amma, yes,
the one who is stingy
the one who is stingy
and thinks he is self-sufficient,
and thinks he is self-sufficient. Okay. And we wait for that. We wait for the answer. Okay. And that, oh yes, this one we wanted to put here as Atifa. Okay. Now we go to the next one because it's still continuing. وَكَذَّبَ بِالْحُسْنَى وَكَذَّبَ بِالْحُسْنَى. So this wa is of course. Sister Adila did the translation. Can you
So
continue?
wow is harfat. Sister?
Yep. Okay. So this is Atifa. And of course it has no place in Iraab. Yeah. Then
Kasaba, it is
Yeah.
Fi'l Madi, it is Kaf,
Kaf,
Za,
Kaf,
Zal, and Ba.
Zal, and Ba.
Ba. Family 2.
Yep. Can we do?
Okay, Kazzaba, Yukazzibu,
Yes. And the Mazda is
Takziban.
Takziban, and the Ism
فهو
Fa'il.
مكذب,
And
مكذب.
yep. Excellent. Oops, sorry. I'm not suggesting anything.
Not
How
yet.
do I switch that off? Is it off? Okay.
No, it's not off. I think it's still. I'm not sure. Yeah, press that. Yeah.
Editing?
Yep.
Okay.
What do you press?
I
think
have
there's
no
a
idea.
shortcut.
I think because I was trying to control paste and maybe it somehow I must have pressed something by accident. Okay, yeah. So this is exactly what you said. And now we go to the Sarf, which is
Iraab.
the same as Iraab, sorry.
فعل ماضي مبني على الفتح.
Yes, you've got that. And the file.
File, it's هو ضمير مستتر.
Okay. File.
فاعل
ضمير مستتر.
ضمير مستتر مستتر جوازا. Even here.
Yes.
هو.
تقديره هو.
Okay. تقديره هو.
تقديره هو. Almost there. You will do it. Oops, sorry. Okay. And this one is معطوف to also. بخيل. بخيل. Yeah. Okay, let's do the whole ayah for you. 9, and then Sister Adila can do ayah 10. Bil Husna. So what is Bil Husna here?
Ba is harf jar.
Yes. Half of that.
Then al-husna, it is majroor.
Majroor. And what is it muta'alliq to?
It is muta'alliq to fail. Kazzaba.
Kazzaba. Okay. So this is Jawa Majroor. Jawa Majroor. Oh, sorry. Muta'alliq. Kazzaba. Okay. Okay. Do you want to say anything about Husna?
Husna, it is ism tafzil
Okay. Of
from the masdar husnun.
Husna. Okay. Is there I know for this if the how to say the plural for this? Is there a plural for Husna?
Husna itself is Husna. Hey.
Yes, technically, it's a taqdir. Yes, you can make plurals.
Okay. So what would the plural be for here? If there is one.
Husnayat.
Okay. Husnaya. Husna. Yeah. Okay, alhamdulillah. So then the translation is وَكَذَّبَ بِالْحُسْنَى. So what did he do?
And he denied.
And he denied. What did he deny?
Bil Husna is the rewarded. Denied.
Husna is best, right?
The best.
the best. So it
The best.
implies here in brackets, because we don't really say it, it's the reward. Yeah. We denied the best. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Sister Zarina, I caught your breath. Or do you want to do the next one, not this one? I think Sister Adila, you have to go ahead with this one. Fast saya. Okay.
Fa is waqi'ah.
Okay. Alpha. Alpha.
Fi jawabil syart.
Right. Fi jawab syart. Yes.
And the jumlah after it. Wal jumlah ba'da.
Do you want to say anything about the sin? No.
Yes, also.
Our sin is
Sin is istiqbal. Harf istiqbal.
istiqbal. And the jumlah after it, what jumlah?
Wal jumlah ba'da. Ba'daha is fi mahali rafa. Khabar of the month.
Fi mahali rafa. Do you want to say anything?
Khabar of the month.
Oh, sorry. Today my hearing is a bit off. Habaman. Oh, sorry. Habaman. Alhamdulillah. Fi mahali rafa. Yeah. Man is the mubtada, and this is the khabar. Okay. Lil usra.
Nuyassiruhu. You want to copy that? Is it? You just did fasa. Nuyassiruhu. We haven't done it yet, actually.
Okay. All right. Oh, hold on. With the what did I do? Undo. Yes. No.
This is fi'il mudhari.
فعل مضارع
مرفوع بضمة.
بتم
والفاعل
فاعل
ضمير مستتر. وجوبا.
وجوبا
تقديره
تأليفهن. No. Oh, sorry. Yes.
and ha والها
بعدها
ضمير متصل.
متصل
في محل نصب.
في محل نصب.
مفعول به.
Okay, yes. We did the Sarf for this. already, right? Yasiru?
Yes.
Yeah, so we don't have to do that again. Lil Usra will be
Ja,
Yeah.
ja,
Jan.
oh, is it?
Yeah, Sister Zarina is it.
Yeah, salah.
she's got her breath already. Okay, Lil
Yes,
Usra. What is Lil
So,
Usra?
ja wa majrur,
Yes, Jawa Majrur.
and then will kasra, but it's a muqaddara. Yeah.
Jawa Majrur. Have I spelled this wrong? Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, what was Muqaddara? The
Um,
Majrur. Is it?
Majrur is should be kasra, but it's muqaddara.
Kasra
Kasra,
al-Muqaddara.
al-muqaddara, and on the letter, so alif, lil alif,
Why doesn't it like it?
alif, lil ta'azur. Yeah,
Muqaddara ala
on the alif,
al-alif.
alif, lil ta'azur. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, and now we say
Muta'alliq, yeah, muta'alliq
Hmm.
bil fi'il, which is the yassir.
we want to put the
Alliq
fi'il
bil fi'il,
and
yassir.
okay. This one. Yes?
Yes, that's the one. And some, no.
And can you let me know this whole sentence? What is it?
Oh,
Or no need to say that. We've already said it here. Sorry. We've already said it. Yeah. It's already there, Sister Zarina.
okay,
Sorry.
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
come on.
All right. All right. Yeah. Why don't you translate this?
Okay, so
You did all the hard work.
So we will make fast. So we will make easy. So we'll make easy for him. So we'll make easy for not. I can't think of one word because this wrong is evil. Make it easy or difficult. For him, the path for evil, I'm not sure.
Usra is something that is difficult.
Difficult, yeah. So
Yeah. It's something that's difficult, that's narrow. Yeah. The
so
Usra.
make easy for him the path. We'll make easy for him the path for
There's no path, Sister Zarina.
no path. We'll
Yeah.
make easy for him towards difficulty, is it?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Technically also not make it easy for him. It is like ease him towards difficulty. For him, it's not for him, it's maf'ul itself. To him is the maf'ul of yes. Yeah, yasara.
Okay. Nuyassiruhu. So we said that this was the maf'ul bihi to this action. Yeah. Nuyassiru, we will translate it as we make it easy. With the sin, we will make it easy. We just have to have it. But who here will make it? This is the it in the will make it. Is it? Is that what you're saying? Make it
I'm
easy.
saying rather like so don't use make it easy. Use ease him so you don't have it there anymore.
So make ease for him, yes.
Not for him also,
No?
just ease
Oh.
him. Ease him towards like facilitate him towards ease him.
I think this is quite okay as well. I mean the it here is nuyassiruhu. This it and this ha is the same, right?
Then where's the no,
make
I would say the him is the ha. The him is going back to the man, the one who is bakhil, the one who is istaghna, the one who is kadhaba bil husna.
So this first person up there somewhere. Yeah. Okay. So, all right. So it's not it here. This is him here.
Yes.
Okay. So let me highlight that. Okay. Oops. When I highlight that, it goes like that. Oh, well, you know, it joins, okay, just to make it easy to understand.
Mhm.
So there's no it here.
Yeah.
We'll make easy for him then. Yeah, or ease him, as you say. Yeah, same thing. We will ease him, make it easy for him, or we'll ease him towards the difficulty. Yeah. Yeah. So that the thing was to avoid the confusion between the it and him, right? So I think we've done that. We'll make easy for him towards difficulty. You were looking at this sentence, right? You were thinking of this sentence, if I'm not mistaken. This one, yeah. We will ease him towards difficulty, something like that. Yeah.
Mhm.
So the meaning, I'm just saying that it's more or less there.
Ah,
Okay. All right. Now we come to the 11th verse. Alhamdulillah. وَمَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُ مَالُهُ إِذَا تَرَدَّى. Yeah. وَمَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُ مَالُهُ إِذَا تَرَدَّى. Interesting sentence here. Yeah.
Yeah.
When I say interesting means there is different interpretations.
Oh,
Okay. So we go back to who shall do this?
Me.
Okay. Wa. So what
Wow,
is this
harf.
wa?
Is harfat.
Yes, one is atifa. Remember we did the there is a choice here. There is choice here. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Atifa. And yes, your first choice was atifa. Then what is ma? We'll come back to the
Ma.
choices later.
Okay. Ma is Nafia.
Ma elsewhere has choices. Your choice was istik?
Nafia.
No, can't be. Ma. It's not
I think
istik
she's talking
nafia.
about wow.
Oh, wow. No, this is ma. Your first choice was atifa for wow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now for ma. For ma, what is your
Ma.
choice for ma?
Ma is Nafi. Ma
Nafi.
Nafi.
Okay. So this one we take nafia. Then we will come to the translation, yeah? Because when we do the other choices, we will change our translation. Okay, then yughni.
Yughni is Fele Mudari.
Yeah, it's fi'l mudari. And
Rain. Noon. Yeah.
Yeah. So be careful. This is nakis again, in a way. What family is this?
Aghna Yughni Babi Farf.
Okay. So agna yugni, because it's nakis, what is your
Mughnin.
masdar? Your masdar. You got the
Masdar is
mu'nin, right? That's the masdar first.
Ighniyaan.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. It's beautiful, isn't it? The way Abba uses the words. I mean, it's just incredible. Sometimes the families match, things like that. So it's just unbeatable. Okay. And it makes it easy for us to understand it. I mean, we want to learn it grammatically. It makes it easy for us to do it, So that's why it's just amazing. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So yeah, we were going to the Iraab.
Yughni.
This was
this
mudari.
is
What type of mudari? You were saying it was mudari.
Mudari. Fele
Mm.
Mudari.
Mhm.
So this is Marfu, sister.
Yes, it's marfu. And why
Marfu.
do we say it's marfu? We have this strange thing here again. Yes, it's there. The sign is there, but we can't see it. So it's marfu bi.
Mukhaddara.
That's when we say we cannot see it. But the sign itself is it Dhamma, Fatha, Kasra? No, sukun in this case because it's fi'il.
It is Sukun here.
No. Yughni. There's nothing here. There's nothing here that makes it majzum, right? You just said it's marfu. So it cannot be sukun. So it's still for the sign of marfu,
It should
for a singular dua, what?
it should have yughniyun. Actually, it was yughniyun.
So what's the
Marfu.
sign?
Rafa
Um,
bidam. Marfu
yes,
bidam.
that's what I'm looking for. Yes, the dhamma. But this dhamma, we cannot see it, right?
Ji.
So when we cannot see it, that's when we start to say that it is
Muqaddara.
muqaddara, and it's muqaddara on
Muqaddara on.
yeah.
On dam.
What is it muqaddara on? What's the letter that you're looking at? Is it an alif or a ya?
Yeah, it is on ya.
Muqaddara.
Alal ya.
Alif.
Alal ya.
And now you will say it is, since it's on ya, lil.
So that was the uzr. The other one was
Oh, okay.
illat.
When it is heavy. When it's heavy, what did we say? When it's impossible, we said ta'azzur. Yes? But when
Ji.
it's heavy, what do we say? The root letters are tha, qaf, and lam.
Thaqila. Sakhila.
Yeah, so it's lil
Alal
siqal. Yeah? Lil
Sikhal.
siqal.
Okay, so here it is the meaning that the tanween was heavy on ya. That was the reason, sister.
So sorry, what was heavy on ya?
The tanween,
dhamma.
matlab marfu,
The
rafa
dhamma
was heavy on ya. Dhamma.
yeah, the dhamma
Acha,
time
acha.
was heavy on ya. Yeah?
Okay.
Not dhamma time. This is a fi'il.
Oh, sorry.
Dhamma.
Sorry. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay, lil sikal. So it's dhamma on ya. Yeah, lil sikal. Alhamdulillah. All right. Sister Adila back again or? Okay,
Anhu.
Anhu.
Jar wa majrur.
Yes, and it's mutalik to.
Ta'liq to the fi'il yubni.
Sorry, to the fi'il.
Yubni.
Yugni. Okay. Bismillah. After sometimes. Okay, alhamdulillah. And maluhu.
Fa'il.
This is the fa'il to yugni.
Fa'il marfu bi dhamma. Are you gonna copy? So I just say.
Yes.
Wal ha is dhamir muttasil fi mahali jar bil idafah.
Okay. Okay. What I have is very shortcut. It's just fa'il. Okay, fa'il. Rafa. Oh, sorry,
Marfu
no,
bi dhamma.
marfu. Bidhamma. Fi mahali taha, isn't it? Wa alha. Fi mahali jar mudaf ilayya. I'm just saying that you have a choice. You can say bidafa or you can say fi mahali mudaf ilayya. Okay. There was Sister Zarina.
Yes.
Iza.
Ida is a Zof Zaman.
In this case, it's Zaf Zaman. Yeah. And
What else we say?
good question. Zaf Zaman. Okay. What? Okay. And okay. So it's also mabni. Okay, right? Mabni, and what is it mabni on? Just for the sake of doing this.
Yeah.
Mabni on ala.
Yeah.
What's here?
Oh, mami on the sukun.
Okay, sukun.
Yeah.
And this is one of the shibhu jumla combinations, which is zarf, which is a mudaf, right?
Mhm.
And we have taradda, which behaves like a mudaf ilay. So we are going to see it here though. What is this combination muta'alliq to?
Oh. What is it muta'alliq to? Is it to
What is it
taradda, no? Or
here we are. This is the ayah just now. So it's
Yeah.
muta'alliq to.
I will look at the next word, taradda. No?
No. This is one. This is
Oh, this
behaving like
whole thing.
one.
Oh, go back to yubni again.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
All right.
Okay. So this is muta'alliq bi the fi'il. This is going to help you translate. Okay. So now taradda. Can you do taradda as well? Can you do the sarf for me, this please?
Okay. So it's raw dal. Raw dal.
Mm,
Is
there
it
is
raw?
taradda.
So family. Oh. So
Is-
yeah, family too. Raw dal and yeah.
Yes.
This, yeah.
Okay. But it's not family too because we have
Oh.
it has actually extra ta and
Extra
shadda.
time. Oh, so
Ah.
family. Family.
What has extra ta and
Yeah, the
shadda?
big, is it 5 or 6?
Because-
5. Is it the one with the shutdown?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the extra time.
Yeah, because I did mention it was a idafa, so this is
Yeah.
actually
So now we have to figure out how to do this. So tafarraqa with what? Oh, tafarraqa. Is it taradda?
taradda, yeah, taradda.
Taradda. Yeah, taraddu. Am I right, sister? Now with the nakis there, I'm lost.
Yeah, taradda. Okay, never mind. Go on to the
So
master.
taradda, I will say taradda, yeah, taraddu, and then tarad. No, very hard, sister. Tafarraqa.
tafa'ala, yatafa'alu, tafa'ulan. So tafa'ulan, what would we say with this? But this is with a ya at the end, yeah?
Taraddu kot. For taraddu, I don't know
Because
how.
it's a ya, there is no longer tafa'ulan. It becomes something else. Because of the ya, it becomes tafa'il. Yeah, tafa'il. So if it is tafa'il, what happens here is, I hope this is correct. And then
I think when you have class with sister and not Adila, she has to do the
Taradda, yataradda, taraddiyun.
then sister Shamima can help.
okay.
I'm lost.
Okay.
Okay. When you show us, it looks easy, but on our own, lost.
I'm a bit lost too. Okay, yataradday. Sorry. This is a ya, right?
Yes.
No. It's an
No?
alif.
Is alif, is it? Okay.
Ali. Oh, okay.
It is correct then. Okay.
Taradda.
Yataradda. Okay. Okay, just absorb that for a while. So now this is you can see now what this is, right? Taradda from here, what type of word this is?
It's to
This is it taradda or yataradda? This is fi'il?
oh, I see. Okay. Sorry, I was wrong. So this is a fi'il is Madi. No,
Yes,
with yeah.
Yeah. It is madi. Yeah, madi.
Oh,
I
this is
just that I don't have the ability to write that thing. I haven't found the key,
okay.
the key that does that yet.
Madi.
Okay, Martin.
Yeah.
I need to experiment on that.
Madi, Yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
we would do it. Mabni
Ala.
ala fat. Mabni
Yeah.
ala fi.
Yes.
Okay, what
Yeah.
else? It's saying,
And this fat, can you see it?
yeah, we can't see. So
Mhm.
we use muqaddara again.
So it's al-muqaddar. Yeah, because
Yes,
we use
right.
al-fat. So it's
Okay.
al-muqaddar. We don't have
Okay.
muqaddara.
Muqaddar.
Mhm.
And then we
The
go for the
fa'il.
fa'il. Yeah, and the
Mhm.
fa'il is a domir.
Do you want
Then-
to add some more to this or no
Oh,
need? Lil?
muqaddar.
Mhm.
Uh,
Al
on
is
which letter?
on
Alif. Lil alif. Lil ta'adul. What is the alif then?
Mhm. Sorry.
Lil alif. Lil ta'adul.
Mhm.
And now we go for the file.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I like the
So-
way you said it. Now we go for the fa'il.
Oh,
Well, al-fa'il.
the file is
Poor
the
thing. Okay.
the domir mustatir. So this will be jawazan. Yeah, so jawazan. Takdiruhu huwa.
Takdiruhu huwa. Okay.
Hmm.
Mhm. And as a sentence, what is it to Iza?
Come again, sister, what do you mean?
As a sentence, because this is fi'il, right? So it is basically a jumla fi'iliyah. So
Yeah.
as a word or a sentence, what is it to Iza? Iza is za, remember?
Oh, yeah. So
So
it's
so we will say wa jumla. Yeah.
Malija, is it? Fi Malija, is it? Bil Idofa, something like that.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Wa
Fi
jumla.
Malija, Bil Idofa. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the
So
Jumla, yeah, the Jumla.
jumla taradda.
Yeah. Okay. Fi Malija, Bil
Oops, sorry.
Idofa.
Fi mahalija bir-idafa. Yeah. Okay. So
Alhamdulillah.
now translation. Have I finished? We have finished it, right? Yeah. For the first translation, yeah, because we are going on. It's almost 4 o'clock. We are going on Atifah and Nafiyah. Yeah. So, how's this translation? Sister Adila, can you do the translation when it is Atifah and Nafiyah?
His wealth and his wealth
And his wealth
will not avail him, will not benefit him
his wealth will not benefit him
when he falls.
when he falls. Yeah, we take taradda as falling. Okay, so I'll just do a quick one, the other alternative, so then we can do the translation only. Yeah, you have two things that it can be. One was Atifa, the next one was Istignafia, yeah, and the third one was Haliyah. Yeah, there were three options here. Right? And along with that, Ma, we have here Nafia. Yes. We can also have it as a question. Yes. Ma can also be istifhamia. Yeah, meaning it's a rhetorical question. And it's to question you back, actually, basically. Nafia and istifhamia. Let me get that across to you. And when it istifhamia, it becomes something with Iraab, yeah? Because this is an isim, it's not the question word that is ha, like or hal. Yeah, it is actually an isim. So it has a Iraab to it. And in this case, it's answering to a question. And when we answer the question, right, it will be like the question was, will his wealth? Okay, let's do the translation if it is a question. Sister Sultana, if it's a question, how would you put this?
And
And
okay, will his or does his
will his wealth mhm,
benefit him
benefit him when he falls? Yeah, I
when
just
he
add that.
falls?
Yeah, right.
Ji.
So this
But
is
Ma does not ask will, right?
yeah, but we can say and what will. Okay, sorry,
Does
and what will. And
what
what
or
will
does okay what?
and what will his wealth and what will his wealth avail him? Yeah. So what is it that his wealth will avail him? So then you would answer his wealth will benefit him in some way. Okay, his wealth will benefit him in some way. So that is like a maf'ul to the sentence. Yeah. In what way? So the when we look at the Irab for ma, then it becomes the maf'ul muqaddam. Yeah, because we're answering a question. And what will his wealth benefit him when he falls? In what way? Yeah, for example, his wealth will benefit him in this way. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, so it is like a maf'ul. So when we put the Irab for this, what we would normally say is this would then, if it's a maf'ul, it's fi mahali.
Nasbin.
Yeah. So this would be fi mahali. I think you saw this in our class on Friday, right? How it becomes maf'ul bihi. Fi mahali nasbin. Maf'ul bihi muqaddam. Yeah. So this is enough here. Then we have the third option where we said that it was haliyah. Yeah, haliyah. So what do you think the translation would look like if it's haliyah?
In a way that his wealth will not benefit him when he falls.
It's haliyah, the condition
Yes,
in which he was falling. Right? So we would actually, what did you say just now, Sister Sultana? Sorry,
So in a way that his wealth will not benefit him when he falls.
and I'm just writing this down, yeah, so that we can have a look at it. And in a
In a
way
way that
that
his wealth will not benefit him when he falls.
in a way that is well, but you're still using ma as nafi here in this case, is it? In a way that his
Ji.
wealth will not benefit him as he falls. Okay.
Hal to what? Hal to what came before?
No, this is just what I'm writing down for Sister.
Yeah, I know, but you said wow can be halia, right? So this sentence is a hal. Hal to what? To what came before? Then just now.
Bakhila, the huwa zamir in Bakhila.
Sorry, bakhila.
The huwa zamir in Bakhila.
Okay, let's look at the sentence. Let's look at the ayah in the. Where is it? I had a window here just now. Okay. وَمَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُ مَالُهُ إِذَا تَرَدَّى. Yeah. And we say that ma here is lil hal, actually, lil hal. The wow itself is lil hal. Yeah. And what it says here, and his wealth will not help him as he falls, That was the translation for the haliyah part. So it's not to do with the front.
But if you said wow, that sounds like the idha is the hal instead of
Mhm.
the wow. Like if wow is haliyah, then the whole thing is hal, so it must be hal to something before, not to when he falls, right?
Yeah, you're right there. So وَمَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُ مَالُهُ. So far what have we said here? So we'll make it easy for him, we'll ease him towards difficulty, and in a way that his wealth will not benefit him as an overall.
I'm trying to see if it's hal to what before, then we will ease him towards difficulty when his wealth will not avail him when he falls. So I'm not sure. So that's why I asked hal to what?
While he was
Mm.
willing to, yeah.
Yeah, hal to what? What is it connected to? Yeah.
Well, this was supposed to be connected to his falling. So, yeah. Has he falls in a way that he's well. But this sounds good.
Because all these jumlas are connected by atf, so the whole thing can go back to the first file, na, sister, in the bakhila, which we have taken as huwa.
This is
It-
one. Yeah. وَأَمَّا مَنْ, the one who is
From here,
stingy, right? Who's doing
ji,
stinginess. Yeah.
yeah,
وَمَا
it
يَمْنَعَ
is.
let me share you. It says lil hal, yeah. So I was assuming it was the falling, but Sister Adila has a point. So let me just share you the thingy. Oh wow, where are we?
Go down a bit.
Oh here,
Mm.
yeah. Oh lil hal, yeah. So I'm wondering.
So it doesn't say like
Doesn't see here exactly which condition that we're looking at again.
yeah.
So that's why I was assuming it was while he was falling. Okay, let me think about this, and then I'll share with you if I can find a reasonable explanation of why they say it is lilahal. Yeah, وَمَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُ. But this translation you were saying, and in a way that his wealth will not be. Okay. Okay, ladies. Yeah, I'll share that if I find an explanation, and then we'll leave this as this until I find that answer, inshallah, together. Okay, then. Any questions here? This one I'll do some proper notes on this, but I think you do understand what I mean, in the sense of when we use wow, yeah, the 3 different cases when we can use wow. Whether it is an atifa, whether it's istinafiyah, or maybe it's something that is like istidrak, not istidrak, daradiyah, yeah, something new. So this is something, I think, Sister Zarina, you were not with us when
Yes, I will
you're covered. So we just have a look at the
video,
recording.
inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah. Okay
Listen to
then.
it.
Subhanallah wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jazakallah khair,
Jazakallah.
sister.
Khairan kaseera, sisters.
Amin wa iyyakum. Hmm.